I decided to do question 3, the question that says, in constant volume process, which of the following indicates that the reaction is endothermic? And the options are change in enthalpy is less than 0, the change in internal energy is greater than 0, the change in Gibbs free energy is greater than or less than 0. And on the exam I chose question C, and the reason why question B is right is when you look at change in internal energy, if volume remains constant, du ends up equaling heat, and in an endothermic reaction, heat is entering, so the change in heat is positive, making delta U greater than 0, which is the correct answer. And the reason why the other answers are wrong is if you look at the change in enthalpy, the pressure relating to the change in volume becomes 0, and heat becomes the change in, or the change in enthalpy becomes heat, and an endothermic reaction is energy entering, which means delta G should be greater than 0 for this question to be right, and in the original problem it's less than 0. And the reason why we know Gibbs free energy isn't the right answer is the conditions for that is it has to be constant temperature and pressure, and in this question it's constant volume. So neither of those answers in the original question will be correct.